Hey guys, welcome back to another life.atv video. Got Code behind the camera. Old man.
Hello.
And sorry for lack of content lately. We finally got a nice day. It's been like snowy, temperature's been down, so today we're gonna do a little shop day. But first, let's give you an update on the new bike, the TRX 450ER. And old man, I still got it.
Still got it?
I still got it.
Not for long.
Come over here, man.
You done a couple things to her, buddy.
Yeah, so a lot has happened. Come up here, man. So we kind of did some cosmetic goodies for it, and that's where this video is leading into. So we got a Team Alba back grab bar. We got a blackened taillight. We didn't even have a taillight before.
Taillights.
Yeah.
Cool.
So that's cool. We got license plate. We're legal now. Jeez. This got screwed up. Okay, we'll just take this off for now.
Those things always fall off anyway.
Yeah. So Team Alba gas cap. What else did we do, oh man?
Big grips.
Yeah, we got ODI grips, ODI roll grips, our favorite kind of grips. We literally got it on every bike. Seat cover.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Something you could kind of do. The seat had kind of like a small rip in it, so.
Yeah, it looks nice.
So it looks nice. Other than that, guys, yeah, just some bling. And that leads us in today's video. We want to thank NICECNC for sponsoring today's video. They seen what we were doing with the new bike, that we had a new bike, and they offered for us to try some products out. So basically, NICECNC, guys, is a power sports company that makes everything you can think of, like CNC-wise. So levers, guards, that sort of thing, ATVs, UTVs,
Name it.
bikes, yeah, whatever. So shout out to them. Everything you see in this video, links are going to be down below. And yeah, I appreciate them for sponsoring today's video. How about we do a little unboxing on what they sent my way for this? All right, guys. So even though this package is small, we got a couple different things we're going to try out on the bike. So first, I believe, new shifter. Oh man, you want to open that up?
Sure.
Open that up, buddy. And I'll open this up, which I think is my new case saver. This package is really nice from them, so appreciate them. Yeah, look at that, Code.
Hell yeah.
Powder coated black, CNC machined new case saver. Guys, run a good case saver on your bike, because if that chain bundles up,
it's actually saved us once.
yeah. So I'm just, look at that one.
Nice.
Ain't that like a breakaway one too, or
Yep.
how does that work? Oh yeah.
Pretty fancy, dog.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take this one out too. Look at that, Code.
Hell
Look at
yeah.
Nice CNC right there. So yeah, I'm just running the factory one right now on the Honda TRX 450R. Just plastic junk, so feel that, old man.
Yeah, that's nice.
Boom. And last but not least, we don't want to lose any of these bolts or whatnot.
You do a nice job.
We have a back sprocket guard, chain guard right here to go with this stuff. So, geez, look how packaged
Yeah,
this
they
is,
really
man.
did
This
wrap
is
it up.
nice. Jeez, look at that. Keep it all together, old man.
Got it all together. Got it all together, Danny boy.
If I can get this thing. Ooh, this might be the nicest one, boys. Whew.
That's sweet.
Look at that, Code.
It's badass.
For your back sprocket right there, protect you. We run some nasty stuff. We ever take this thing to South Dakota, this is gonna pay for itself right now. But like I said, link to these products below. We're gonna show you how to install them right now. Most of them are pretty easy, just bolts and whatnot, but we're also gonna take off the factory ones and compare it to these. I mean, you guys can't feel it obviously, but it's pretty thick right here. And
Yeah, that's pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty
I mean,
heavy duty.
And you know, everything factory is plastic and cheap, so yeah, we're gonna get all the old stuff off and put this stuff on, and we'll video it along the way.
No.
What size bolt are those for the case saver, old man?
5/16.
So 3 5/16.
Yep.
comparison stock versus nice CNC. I mean, aside from the looks, I mean, that is way more beefier. It's adjustable. It's a breakaway. I mean, it's a no-brainer. And then here's your case saver. This is just like a hard plastic right here. It's not going to do you a whole lot of good depending on what kind of, if you hit something or how bad your chain gets bundled up. But you can see this one, much beefier. Going to do the job a lot better. And like I said, that powder coated black looks awesome.
Cha-ching.
See, that's going to look awesome. And it's
Yeah, it looks nice.
It's as easy as just replacing the hardware and doing exactly the opposite of what you just did.
And this one here, we can put all 3 bolts back in there because the other one was
Junk.
junk.
It had ripped through the
Throw
hole.
it.
We don't throw stuff around here, oh man. You never know.
Never know. You never know around here. There's people falling off left and right. Right, Code? Right. No oddball in there. Do we? 'Cause look at, you got all these freaking.
All right, up next, shifter. And this is completely adjustable. So for my preference, we're gonna bring it all the way back.
Let's see what this looks like, how close we are. Still a little bit, oh, it's about pretty close. Want me to go back any further than that?
I'm leaving it up to you, man.
Well, this is your bike.
That looks pretty good.
Your big freaking foot. You think so?
Yeah, we'll try that.
Let's see here. To me, it looks like it might be a little low. Huh? Probably about right. See, now that looks too high, doesn't it?
To me that does, yeah.
I don't know, Danny, jump on it once.
No, that feels pretty good.
Does it?
Fit the boot pretty good right there. So you kind of got to adjust it to your preference.
Yeah.
And it looks good. It definitely stands out a lot more now, doesn't
Like
it?
when you put your foot there,
Yeah.
you probably could have left it way out here, but
No, that's cool.
that's usually what you ride in.
Yep. Cowboy boots.
Little freaking shit kickers.
All right. I guess we'll get her locked in.
Ooh, they make nice stuff. You don't call them nice for nothing, right? I like the, I don't know, just like over there.
The finish and everything, yeah.
Yeah, nice finish, nice feel. Don't want to go too freaking tight. You want to strip everything off. Good code?
Nice.
But everybody's got different size feet.
I mean, that looks sharp right there. I love all the black with the red. Honda! All right, boys, next up is the back sprocket guard. So in order to do this,
Kick that. For what your camera.
the tire has to come off, the hub has to come off, and basically what it does is it cuffs in right here, so it protects your sprocket, your chain, everything on this back end. But it's not quite as easy a job as the other two, is it, Code?
Nope.
But we're gonna tackle it.
Not everything can be freaking easy though, can it, buddy?
No, so we're just gonna start wrenching and taking stuff off. Like I said, tire, hub, then we gotta get to the chain, and yeah.
That was awesome.
Boom.
Throw that over there. Hold her.
true.
Holder.
All right, code update. What we found out, and this is just an FYI, still have the stock skid plate on there. It will rub, and it basically won't work with it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the stock skid plate, which it's the stock one. It ain't helping a whole lot anyway. So that's where we're at right now. We just got bolts loose in there to keep it in place. But yeah, so far, oh man, not been too bad, has it?
No, I'm going good. Get out of there. Like that.
All right, guys, we're on the final stages. So like I said, this sucker had to come off. Actually not too bad for stock. I mean, it was bolted up there pretty good, but we'll figure something else out and probably get a nicer skid plate down the road anyway. But that's where we are right now. Basically, we're just tightening it up now, aren't we?
It looks good. I like it.
That's what I'm talking about.
You just gotta...
Oh man,
Switch
nicest
couple
quad in the fleet by far now. Jeez.
You agree with that, Code?
Nope.
She is a nice machine.
Keep spinning, oh man. There she is, boys.
I don't know.
It's pretty tight, so we're just double checking our clearances and whatnot. Alright guys, we're just gonna take it on a test ride around the yard and check the shifter out. See if that back sprocket is good.
Hey, maybe you'll be able to get it in neutral easier now.
Yeah, no kidding. It's always a pain. You can only get it in neutral when the quad's off.
I don't know.
First spin, see if he feels anything. I didn't really feel nothing.
Oh! That's the end of the video.
Is that the grip?
Where your lights and shit are.
Okay. We're already finding more problems. Nice. Sounds good. Feels good to have another Honda code.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, let's go. That's a man that loves Honda right there.
I would say it's good, buddy.
Even more than Suzuki.
Those are fighting words right there.
Yeah, let's go. Right to the back, dog.
Fucker's fun, man.
Good, right?
She's got some pepper to her. Of course, I killed it again.
That's okay. How's the shifter? Oh, easy now, man. There he is. All right, boys.
Headlight come up close.
Did it? Yeah, it did. I see it.
What was that other one?
Almost need to put like.
Nice bike though, she runs good.
It's got a damn nice sound to it.
Tell you one thing. Got some damn nice tires on it.
Yeah, it does. I like the zooms a lot.
She didn't want to. She hooks up too much for me. I like it when they freaking little ball.
Ball like the Zook.
Yeah, Danny, you got damn nice tires on it, Fricker. She really hooks up.
Well, God, I'd say that's a successful video, right, old
I
man?
think so.
New shifter, K-saver, back sprocket guard, chain guard for the Honda TRX 450ER. Thank you for NICECNC for sponsoring today's video. Remember, check out their links below. And also check out our link. Fresh merch on there, old man merch, classic merch. We're going to Wisconsin next week. A couple weeks after that, we're going to Oklahoma. Business is about to pick up. See you in the next one.